Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. As you can tell by the title, today I will be showing you guys how to make stacked leggings. And all you'll be needing are 2 pairs of the same exact leggings, some scissors, and some needle and thread. Okay, so starting off, you're going to fold one of the pair of leggings in half, and then you're going to begin cutting them. You're basically cutting them into like biker shorts, but just keep watching and you'll see. Once you're done cutting that, you can put the top part of the legging to the side. Like I said, you can wear them as biker shorts if you want to, but now the legging should look something like this. The next step is to cut at the bottom of the leggings, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you wanted to, just follow along the seams of the leggings. And you're going to do this for both pairs. Alright, so the next step is to flip the pant legs inside out, like so. And this step is kind of tricky, but not really. But basically, you're going to put the pant legs on top of the regular leggings. I honestly don't know how to describe it, but keep watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. So when you're putting them on top of the other pair, you're going to make sure that the wider part is at the top. Make sure it's inside out still. And you're going to pull the other pant legs to be evened out with the cut out pant legs. So it should look something like this. Sorry if I didn't explain it the right way. But the most important part is just to make sure that the seams are lined up, and it should look like this. Okay, so this next step is pretty simple. You're just going to sew those 2 pair of leggings together. And like I said, it's really important to make sure the seams are aligned and so that the leggings aren't like all over the place. You'll see at the end of the video what I'm talking about. But yeah, you're just going to sew. If you have a sewing machine, this is easier, but I didn't have one, so this took me a minute. Okay guys, so once you're done sewing, you're just gonna flip the bottom part right side up. And honestly, I was scared to do this because I can't sew for nothing, and this is my first time making these. But yeah, this is what I was talking about on making sure the seams are lined up so that it just looks neat. And yeah, your leggings should look like extra long leggings. I hope this video helped a few of you guys. I hope it saved y'all some coins. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my social medias in the top left. And stay tuned for some prank videos coming soon.